I want to appreciate and say that today there are elections across the country of holding board members, where we have still heard that some have lost, some have won, and we want to congratulate everyone, because in every race there has to be a winner and a loser. And I want to say that those who have won, we are going to work with them very closely. And as my board member, my directors and the chairman of Embu factories have requested, I also request that those who have been elected, I know we have served with them directly or indirectly in the tea industry, either being farmers or they have been directors before in their respective factories. I also want to urge and request them that as they come, we want to work in the same unity to also continue in the same sanity in the entire sector. This year, we are going to get the best bonus ever, which is higher than the previous years that other regimes have ever paid our farmers. And I want to assure that I'm going to collaborate with the government, because I know there are benefits that comes to our farmers when we work closely with the government, and also thank His Excellency President William Ruto because of the support that he has given me, that he has given the entire tea industry by subsidizing our fertilizers. And it has really helped farmers to increase their production. And also this is one of the major issue that has really caused our volumes to go high because of that increment of production.
Today we are here at Muhuraniri Tea Factory, which happened to be the polling station for our board member. We are here, the 3 factories, 18 directors. We have come to confirm and affirm that our board member is Enos Njeru, whom we sat as factory and directors and decided to give him a direct ticket. There are several reasons why we did that, because he has been there for a very short time and we have seen what he has done. He has done so much. So as directors, we agreed and agreed in one voice and saying Enos Njeru, he is going to be our board member unopposed.